Hey there, everyone. Dr. Lisa Faast here from DiversifyRx. And if you've been following me for any length of time, you know how much I love supplements. And one of my favorite supplements is nitric oxide boosting supplement. There's a couple of reasons why I love nitric oxide boosting supplements. One, they make me feel like Superwoman. Seriously, I feel like I can tackle anything when I take my nitric oxide. It really, truly feels, you feel a difference. It makes a difference. It's why I love selling it to patients because patients feel it right away and they come back and they want more, and you get that kind of positive reinforcement. And my favorite company to get nitric oxide supplements from is AMS Approved Medical Solutions. Now, there's probably 1,001 companies out there that sell nitric oxide boosters. But the reason I love Approved Medical Solutions is there's two reasons. One, it is completely and 100% oxalate free. So I have struggled in the past with kidney stones. So I try to stay away from oxalate containing items as much as possible. And most nitric oxide boosting supplements have a crap ton, that is an official measurement, a crap ton of oxalates because of the source they get it from. Whether it's beets or arugula or spinach or something like that, those have a ton of oxalates, and so those oxalates end up in the supplement. And so if you're concerned about any of your patients having kidney stones, then you want to give them 100% oxalate free, and that is why one reason I love AMS. The second reason why I love AMS is they help you pharmacy owners be uber successful in launching nitric oxide in your pharmacy. There is no one more experienced with them with helping pharmacy owners set up a program, whatever is going to fit you, get it out to your patients, get them tested with the saliva strips, which are, I guess, reason number three, I love them, but get it launched to your patients so you can help your patients get them feeling awesome. And of course, increase your cash-based revenue by selling more supplements. So what I brought to you today is a new supplement from Approved Medical Solutions. Now, I have not started taking this yet. I just received my box like just today. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it, and we're going to open it here. All right. So Approved Medical Solutions has just started being able to sell Libby. Now, Libby is not a new supplement. It has been around for a while. And if you are male and watching this, then you probably have not heard of Libby. If you're female, you probably have seen an ad, even if you maybe didn't pay attention to it. They've been very big on like social media, but it is a supplement specifically for women. And there's several different versions. I happen to get the Signal version that they sent me. They wanted me to try this. So I'm going to try it. I'll tell you how it goes. But I'm going to read the ingredients here just for you know. So it's got vitamin C, potassium, B12, Dymania. It's their proprietary thing. Ginseng, rice bran, theacrine, saffron, rice fiber, and L-ergothioneine. I think I pronounced that right. Anyways, when I looked this up and I read some of the clinical research on these ingredients, I was like, okay, let me try this. I had heard of Libby before, honestly didn't pay that much of attention to it. But when Approved Medical Solutions said that they were going to start carrying this, I said, all right, I need to do my research now. So I spent a couple hours going through some of the clinical trials on the different things. This one is specifically, it says for optimizing mind, body, and mood. And by mood, they mean like the adult kind of mood, like the get down and dirty kind of mood. So Signal is supposed to be about libido, energizing. And so it's directed towards women. And so when I was talking to the people over at Approved Medical Solutions, one of them, I won't name names, but one of them was like, I'm single and I had to stop taking that. And I said, well, I'm old and married. You should let me try. So anyways, here we are. I'm gonna start taking the Libby. I'll let y'all know in very tasteful ways how it feels. But it actually is supposed to be very, very good for sleep. Some of the ingredients in there are specifically for sleep and restful sleep. So I struggle not with falling to sleep or going to sleep. I honestly think I hold the world record for being able to fall asleep. I can be having a conversation, lay my head down, close my eyes, and boom, I am out. And I have no problem staying asleep as long as one of my, 6 or 9-year-old kids don't crawl into bed with me. But I just for last, I don't know, going on a year or so, I don't wake up refreshed anymore. And I've started using the mouth tape and I've started doing all the things, but I'm just not refreshed. And so she swore that this would help me wake up refreshed. And because of some of the ingredients in there. And the clinical studies say that I have a pretty good chance of waking up and feeling refreshed. So anyways, very cool though. You can order this right now from the Approved Medical Solutions site. So if you're ordering your nitric oxide from them, you'll see this new product on there. There's also a couple other new products on there. I'll probably talk about those here pretty soon, but I'll give you an update on how this goes. And if you have any questions about it, go ahead and post in the comments. Happy to chat with you and answer any questions, either from a clinical perspective or from a user perspective. Happy to share that as well. So go ahead and post your questions, and I'll give you an update in a little bit and see how this goes.